Hey Greg, here's the router. You said you want to see it cut. I was gonna cut this little part out for you. It's a little 1/4-inch deep pocket and a 5-inch circle into 3/4 birch plywood. This board here will just be sacrificial. As far as what comes with it, comes with a monitor, keyboard, mouse, the computer. It's a old Pentium 4. It actually runs this really well. The router will come with it. It's a little Craftsman, must be about 2 horsepower, so a bigger router wouldn't hurt. That clamp will come with it too. It's just something I made on the mill, but it's really rigid. But anyway, I'll cut this out for you and you'll see kind of what things look like. It's a 1/4-inch spiral bit on there, so very good bit. And here we go. Well, there you have it. It's got some fray on it or whatever, but that's where did the lead in and lead out. But it does a beautiful cut. It'll line up. And, I have the machine running at 90 inches a minute. It could go a bit faster, but I don't see the point. I'm not a production type guy, but it's a good router. It's a lot more rigid than extruded aluminum type. You can see I cut slots with the mill to hold all these plates in, and they're a press fit. I actually put them in the freezer to make them shrink down and fit tight. Lots of bolts. These rails, they're just drilled and tapped into this aluminum plate. Got a slot here for this plate to mount on. They run on same type of deal, 20mm rails. I don't know if you can tell, but up in there is the ball nut, and it's all a real nice router in my opinion. These cable tracks are all fastened, and they're great big cable tracks. Let me see that for lots of room. If you wanted to put a water-cooled spindle on there, there'd be lots of room for water lines. And I don't know what else. This is the messy side with the wires. And the bearing block for the lead screw. This is more of the same, slotted 1/2-inch aluminum. Yeah, it's just yeah, you know, I think it's a heck of a machine if you're not trying to make hundreds and hundreds of parts every day. It's not really fast, you know, as you can see, 100 inches a minute. But hope you like this video. Let me know what you think. Bye-bye.